Morning everyone, my name is Musaib Tahsin and today we're going to be talking about environmental pollution. So let's get started. Now we're going to be learning about environmental pollution. Environmental pollution now is a global issue for all over the world. Simply, we can define by the following way. The introduction or addition of harmful or toxic elements into the environment by waste, chemicals, and other harmful substances. Pollution can also be defined as whenever trash, chemicals, or other substances contaminate the earth's air, water, or land. Pollution means making the environment unsafe for plants and animals the by the contamination of air, water, land consequences serious health hazard and threats to man and other living organisms. Now, what actually causes environmental pollution? Now we're going to see environmental pollutions are occurred from different sources including industrial activities, transportation, agricultural practices. These activities release pollutions into the air, water, and soil, leading to various negative impacts on ecosystems and human health. Some key points related to environmental pollution are described below. Unwanted particles can disturb the ecosystem. Natural disasters like volcanic eruptions, forest fire, etc. also contribute to pollution. Humans also cause pollution with vehicular emissions and industrial wastes. Increased pollution has led to global warming. Air pollution often caused by industrial emissions, vehicle exhaust, and burning fossil fuels lead to respiratory diseases and contributes to climate change. Water pollution from agricultural runoff, industrial discharges, and plastic waste are now is a continuous process. Soil pollution are being occur primarily due to pesticides, heavy metals, and waste disposal. Rapid urban growth leads to increased construction, waste generation, and higher vehicle emissions. As cities expand, natural habitats are destroyed and level rise. The rise of industries has significantly contributed to environmental pollution through release of harmful gases and waste into the air and waterways. Overpopulation enhanced resource demand, leading to overexpopulation and increased waste generation. The transportation sector is a significant contributor to air pollution, vehicle emissions, including carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides, degrade air quality, and contribute to greenhouse effect. Now we're going to be learning about air pollution. Now, what is air pollution? Air pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the atmosphere causing damage to living organisms and to the environment. Now, what are the causes of air pollution? Let's see. The combustion of fossil fuels emits a large amount of gases emit into the atmosphere. The gases emit from vehicles such as jeeps, trucks, cars, buses, etc. pollute the environment. Also the air. Agricultural activities emit harmful chemicals into the atmosphere and contaminate it. Factories and industries are the main source of gases that emit into the atmosphere. Deforestation is a major reason for air pollution. Now, let's see the effects of air pollution. Headache, chest pain, cough, difficulty in breathing, damage to plant life. Acid rain is the most common result of air pollution. Causes of eye irritation. Children exposed to high level of air pollution like asthma, pneumonia. Now, what are the solutions? Since air pollution is really harmful to us living things, we have to find a solution to reduce this. So let's see the solution. Use of significant energy efficient device can control pollution to a greater level. The use of solar, wind, and geothermal energies reduce air pollution at a larger level. More tree plantation can reduce air pollution. Use of clean energy like solar, wind, etc. Install emission reducing technology at industry. Now another type of pollution in the environment is water pollution. Now what is water pollution? Water pollution can be defined as the contamination of water bodies directly or indirectly due to different harmful substances and cause unsafe for human and aquatic ecosystem. Causes different human activities like industrialization, urban waste, littering, etc. enter our water bodies and pollute them. Industrial waste including harmful chemical dumped into nearby water body and pollute them. Agricultural runoff and sewage disposal are one major cause of water pollution. Oil spills are another source of pollution that have devastating impacts on surrounding ecosystem. Now let's see the effects. Water pollution causes diarrhea, skin diseases, malnutrition, and even cancer and other diseases related to water pollution. Water pollution has numerous adverse effects like destruction of aquatic life, disruption to food chains, and economic losses. Water pollution also reduces the ecosystem services such as drinking water provided by the water resource. Water pollution can be responsible for slow growth, poor aesthetic quality of the crop, and the gradual death of plants. Now, what are the solution of this pollution? Let's see. Treating water before it enters body. The water body is the most efficient way of reducing water pollution. Ensure proper dispose of chemicals and other waste to minimize the water pollution. Minimize the use of pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers can reduce water pollution. Water pollution can be prevented through reducing waste, proper waste disposal, enforcing environmental laws, and adopting eco-friendly pesticides. Another major pollution is soil pollution. Soil pollution can be defined as the presence of a chemical or substance in a soil at higher than normal concentration and has adverse effects that alters the standard quality of soil. What are the causes of soil pollution? Let's see. Major causes of soil pollution include the excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, industrial waste, discharge, improper disposal of hazardous waste, deforestation, also major causes of major causes of air pollution, soil pollution. Sewage from cities and factory waste can contaminate the soil because of improper management. Untreated wastewater, acid rain, mining activities can also cause severe soil pollution. What are the effects of soil pollution? Soil pollution causes loss of soil structure, nutrition degradation, mm, and soil salinity. Soil pollution has numerous adverse effects like decreased soil fertility, reduced crop yields, contamination of water sources, disruption of ecosystems. Pollution reduces soil's ability to yield food. It results in food crop contamination and disease like cancer, respiratory problems, etc. Lower soil pH as a result of growth is being as a result plant growth is being disrupted. Now, how can we stop or reduce soil pollution? Let's see. By promoting reforestation and afforestation is one of the best ways to reduce soil pollution. Ensure that organic fertilizers and compost as altern- alternative of using pesticides and herbicides will be solution will be the solution to reduce soil pollution. Avoiding spreading trash or hazardous material into the open land can be the solution. Develop necessary legislation on soil pollution control. Now we're going to learn about noise pollution, its causes, effects, and solution. Causes. Excessive industrialization causes production of unwanted noise due to use of heavy machinery such as generators, mills, huge exhaust fans. Increased number of vehicles on roads are the second reason for noise pollution. Events like weddings, public gatherings involved loudspeakers to play music, resulting in the production of unwanted noise in the neighborhood. Mining, construction of buildings, etc. add to the noise pollution. Now effects. Hypertension, hypertension is a direct result of noise pollution. Noise pollution causes noise-induced hearing loss. Noise pollution also impacts wildlife. The problem of noise pollution is especially serious for marine animals. Noise pollution included stress-related illness, speech interference, sleep disruption, lost productivity, etc. Now, what can we do to reduce noise pollution? Let's see. Proper urban planning can help reduce noise pollution. Governments can establish noise regulation and standards for different types of noise sources, like construction sites, airports, and public events. Individuals can also take steps to reduce noise pollution, such as using headphones instead of playing loud music in public, avoiding loud parties and gatherings, etc. Noise generated by machinery and equipment can be reduced by using low noise models. Conservation of our environment. Environment conservation. An environment conservationist tries to use natural resources in the best possible way. For example, conservationists may work to prevent extinction, restore damaged habitats, and protect biodiversity. Environmental conservation refer to the practice of preserving the environment and protecting it from potential negative impacts. Some vital issues regarding environmental conservation are given below. By reducing the use of electricity or fossil fuel, we can help conserve the environment. Turning off the lights after finishing the work, walking on or riding a bicycle instead of a car also can help preserve natural resources. Following 3Rs, like reducing the use of natural resources, reusing and recycling, can we can help conserving nature. Oils, chemicals, and industrial garbage should go through treatment before throwing off into the environment. We should not throw trash into rivers and lakes or on land. We can conserve our environment by dumping garbage in the dustbin and planting trees. Raising public awareness is one of the best ways to conserve our environment. Conclusion. Environmental pollution affects us all, but it is within our power to stop it. By making small changes in our daily lives, we can protect our air, water, and land. Let's take responsibility now to reserve the earth for future generations. Remember, the planet is not inherited from our ancestors. It is borrowed from our children. Together we can make a difference.